Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. So we are into a new series, and that's my YouTube growth series. I know I've received so many messages asking me to do this video, so I just decided to get it done as soon as possible. For those that have not started a YouTube channel yet, let me tell you how I started mine. I already had a YouTube account over the years, and I decided not to use the account because I used the account and uploaded makeup videos. That's a long time ago, and those videos did not do well. And as those videos did not do well, I just lost all manner of zeal in me and I stopped completely. So that was in 2018 or 2017. This year I decided to start again. This time around, before I started this YouTube channel, I did a lot of research. I watched a lot of YouTube videos teaching me the things about YouTube, the nooks and crannies, SEO, TTR, so many crazy terms in YouTube. I may not be able to mention all of them here, but I'm going to drop some YouTube channels that helped me. Tovia Ogun, her videos helped me a lot, and another one, Think Media helped me too, and some other YouTube channels which, if I remember, I'll drop it here so that you would watch. You need to do research. YouTube is a whole ghetto on its own. There's a lot of things that, in a lot of sense, you need to know. You can't just start YouTube like that. There's a lot that's involved. So to start your YouTube channel, you don't need to have crazy camera equipment. I started with my phone, my iPhone XR back camera. I went to my phone settings and I put it at 4K at 60 FPS. That's the highest that my phone can go at. If you're shooting on this kind of setting, your space is going to be crazy. It's going to swallow your space. Then and I started uploading in same quality. Like for every video that I upload, 6 gig is disappearing from my data. Like, where am I working? Am I Dangote's daughter that will be uploading video on 6 gig, like 6 gigabyte data anytime I'm uploading a video? And I upload 4 videos a week. Boy, oh boy, I had to tell myself the truth, and I had to stop uploading it in 4K because, like, I couldn't afford the data anymore. It made me not to be able to upload the videos like as often, as frequently as I wanted to, so I had to stop. I started uploading in 1080p. So with that, just 500 MB disappears every time I upload a new video. So in that way, I spend 2 gigabytes uploading 4 videos every week, and that worked for me. The number one thing I'm going to tell you about is prayers. I will never ever underestimate the work of God, the work of Jesus in my YouTube channel. I prayed about my channel. I met my pastor. I told my pastor about it. I talked to my mom about it. I talked to people who I knew could pray for me. I talked to my sister and they were praying for me. I had a lot of dreams. I had revelations, and they too told me what they thought about my starting a YouTube channel. As I told them about it, they were in support. But now the problem was, that was the period that I was preparing for my main MBBS exam. So they were like, no problem. After your MB, you can start a YouTube channel. I was like, no problem. That was the plan. The plan was that after my professional MBBS exam, I'll start my YouTube channel. But one day I had a particular dream which I'm not okay with sharing in the open space here. I had a dream and I woke up that morning and I told myself, I am going to start this YouTube channel now. That was a week or so to my mock professional exam, a week or 2 weeks to my mock professional exam that I started YouTube. So you can just imagine. And I'm telling you, if you're starting a YouTube channel because everybody is doing it, then you may actually make it, but I feel you are wrong. If you're starting a YouTube channel, let it be that you're doing it because you are meant to do it at that. I don't really know how to explain it, but if you're a Christian and you're watching this, you're not supposed to take any big step. YouTube is a very huge step. It's a huge commitment. You're not supposed to start it without talking to your God. So if peradventure you started your YouTube channel already, I suggest you talk to God about it. Ask God to help you. Ask God to direct you. Ask God to show you what you're supposed to, what kind of videos you're supposed to upload. That is what I did. And I'm not trying to be saying cliche stuff. I'm telling you what I did. So after praying and everything, I woke up that morning and I told myself I'm going to start my YouTube channel today, and that was it. I registered it in August, but I only really started being so serious, like I only started shooting continually, like 4 videos a week, in September. So my YouTube anniversary falls in September of every year. So when I started, I did not tell my mom, I didn't tell my dad, I didn't tell my sister, I didn't tell my brother, I did not tell anybody. Not even my classmates knew that I had a YouTube channel. Like, I did not tell them. I decided to keep it like a secret, because I knew if I told people, everyone would definitely be against me, because I mean, we were preparing for mock professional exams. So I was like, everybody was, you know, serious with study, but I really needed to do something at that point. So there's a lot that prayers can do for you. The Holy Spirit most especially can direct you in on what video you should shoot and when you should shoot it, your title, thumbnail, everything. Pray about it. Put God first in your YouTube channel. That's what I'm trying to say. Whatever decision that you're making, let God be involved in it. Don't just do it because everybody is doing it. It's not going to work that way. Another thing I'm going to tell you, if you're a new YouTuber that you're just starting, for God's sake, be consistent. Like, how can you post one video every month and you're a brand new YouTuber? How do you expect people to know that you are serious about it? You know, big YouTubers, those with 100k subscribers and above, even though they don't post every other month, their subscriber counts, they are still there. There are people, they already, for them to be able to reach that number of subscribers, they already have loyal people who are loyal to their channel. So even though they decide not to post a whole year, their subscribers will definitely wait for them. But you, as a new YouTuber, you're new and you're posting once a month. Are you serious? That's one thing I noticed. Consistency. I initially started posting 2 videos a week, but I discovered that it's better for me to post 4 videos a week for my consistency, because the more consistent you are, the higher the chances of getting picked up by YouTube algorithm. To, you know, so this YouTube algorithm, I've done research, I've watched so many YouTube videos on this stuff, and nobody seems to know how it works. But for me, I've noticed when you're consistent, the YouTube algorithm could pick you up and say, this person is consistent. You have the higher chances of having a viral video. When you're consistent, it also makes your subscribers know that this girl or this guy is here for business. So one good tip, if you are not ready to be consistent, don't even bother. Or even though you start, don't keep crying that you're not growing. If you're not ready to be consistent on YouTube, try and push at least 1 video a week. Alright guys, as usual, this video was too long. I had to cut it into different parts. Tomorrow the part 2 of this video will be out, so watch out for the part 2, and remember to share this video to those who you think it will help. I remain your girl Jemima. Bye.